With the 3D printer, we don't need to go to third-party manufacturers to test these new designs. We can do it in-house, and most often than not, get the part in our hands the next working day.
Handicare is the global product leader in accessibility. We design, manufacture, deliver and install all of our products directly to our customers and through a fantastic dealer network. We provide one of the best solutions to our customers for stair lifts, wheelchair platform lifts, through floor lifts and other accessibility devices.
During development of a few of our projects, we wanted to investigate the possibility of bringing 3D printing in-house so that we had more control over the solutions that we were testing and evaluating. And through the help with SolidPrint, we looked at a few different solutions. We chose the Formlabs Fuse 1 Plus as it offered the best compromise between print speed, print build area, as well as print part cost. It was just the ideal solution, and that's what we went with. One of the big problems was the development cycle of testing and introducing new products and new features. With the 3D printer, we don't need to go to third-party manufacturers to test these new designs. We can do it in-house, and most often than not, get a part in our hands the next working day. We don't have to wait weeks, and sometimes multiple weeks to get that part to come back in to evaluate it, only to realise we need to do some more changes. So having that printer in-house means that development cycle is vastly reduced, and our efficiency working and designing new parts is massively improved.
The biggest benefit so far to Handicare has been a rapid improvement in development time. We can put a part on the printer on an evening and get it back the next day, where we can visualise it, get tactile feedback, perform fit and functions. The massive cost saving that also comes with this, instead of shipping it out to external suppliers, has been incredible. It's also allowed us to share designs with the production team early in our development process, which has meant that we can design a product right first time.
SolidPrint's expertise and opinions on 3D printing has been vital for us, both in the recommendation of hardware, of different materials, as well as the solutions that we previously didn't consider or think of. They've offered us many different materials to test with and evaluate further, as well as different machines and processes and workflows that we can implement to further improve our job in the research and development of new products.